Is CoConstruct ideal for home remodeling projects? Let's dive into that question and find out. If you're in the home remodeling business, managing projects efficiently is key, but how can CoConstruct help make that easier? Stick around because I'm going to give you an honest look at how the software could potentially change the way you run your projects. And as a bonus, you can try it completely free with an exclusive extended trial linked in the description below. First things first, CoConstruct is a project management tool designed specifically for custom home builders and remodelers. It combines budgeting, scheduling, and communication in one platform. What makes it stand out for home remodeling projects is its focus on collaboration between all the parties involved, from contractors to clients. No more messy email chains or confusing spreadsheets. Everything you need is in one place, helping ensure your project runs as smoothly as possible. Next thing, CoConstruct's budgeting tools. For home remodeling projects, accurate budgeting is critical, and CoConstruct offers detailed cost tracking. You can create a customized budget for your project, track expenses in real time, and even adjust as you go. This flexibility helps prevent any nasty surprises when it comes time to settle the bill. Plus, the software allows you to manage change orders, which can often be a pain point in home remodeling. You can quickly update the budget if clients add or change features during the project. The third thing to consider is scheduling. Home remodeling can involve a lot of moving parts, subcontractors, materials, inspections, and more. CoConstruct allows you to create detailed schedules, set milestones, and keep everyone in sync. The software automatically updates any changes to the timeline, so you're always on top of deadlines. This feature alone can save a lot of headaches when things don't go as planned, which is often the case in remodeling. Fourth thing, let's talk about client communication. Home remodeling projects can get complicated, and the back and forth between contractors and clients is crucial. CoConstruct streamlines this by offering a communication portal where you can share documents, send updates, and receive approvals. This eliminates the need for phone calls or endless emails, allowing both you and your clients to stay informed in real time. It's all about making the process transparent, which builds trust and ensures smooth project delivery. Next up, CoConstruct also offers mobile access. Whether you're at the job site or in the office, you can access the software from your smartphone or tablet. This means you can make updates, check schedules, or communicate with clients instantly, even when you're on the go. That mobility can be a game changer for home remodelers who need to stay flexible and responsive. Now, if you're wondering about the pricing, CoConstruct isn't exactly cheap. It's an investment, but for many remodelers, the value it brings in terms of efficiency and time saved is well worth it. You can access a demo and start with a free trial, which I highly recommend before committing long term. I've got a special offer with an exclusive, extended free trial. Check the first link below to get access. Lastly, is CoConstruct ideal for home remodeling projects? For many, the answer is yes. If you're looking for a comprehensive, all-in-one solution that simplifies project management and keeps everything organized, CoConstruct could be a game changer for your home remodeling projects. It may take some time to get used to, but once you do, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Remember, you can access CoConstruct with an exclusive extended free trial by clicking the link below. Check it out for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your remodeling business.